afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. So I'm Cindy, and I'm here with my partner, Rick. Go.
Hi.
So, for this afternoon, evening na. No, it's already evening. It's 8:41 in the evening. So, today we are gonna learn Dutch for me and
Bisaya? Is it Bisaya?
yeah, and Bisaya for Rick. So here we have our copy. So as you can see here in the laptop, yeah. So we have here our copies of words that I'm gonna read it in Dutch and Rick gonna read it in Bisaya. So it's our first time, so it's really like how do you say that one?
I'm gonna beat her. I'm gonna be so much better. So let's
I'm
go to the
nervous
comments.
because I don't have a good pronunciation in Dutch.
I've never done this before. She's lived there for 2 years.
How are you?
¿Cómo está ka?
Wow, with emotion. That's nice. Fine, thank you.
Maayo salamat.
What is your name?
Unsay imong pangalan? Unsay nagalan mo?
Ngalan.
Nalang.
Nga.
Nga.
I know my mouth is big, but you don't need to copy it. Ngalan.
Nalang.
My name is Cindy.
Ang akong pangalan Maaw Sirik.
Mao Sirik. I am Cindy.
Ako Sirik.
Nice to meet you.
Maayo nga ilata.
Please.
Palihag.
Salamat. Oh,
Thank
sorry.
you. I know that one
No.
already. It's fine.
You're welcome.
Walaya. Wait, I cannot read.
Sorry.
Walay sapayan.
Yes.
Oo.
No.
Dili.
Excuse me.
Kadiot lang.
I'm sorry.
Pasayo ako.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
We're so fast, love. I can't speak Cebuano.
Dili ko makasultig Cebuano.
Do you speak English?
Makasultig ka ug in Ingles.
In English.
Yeah, I did better the first time around, huh? Can we reset this?
Because you did the practice.
Yeah, the second round because she messed up the video.
No. Excuse me.
Nabay makasulti
No, it's
ugo
me.
unglididi.
Is there someone here who speaks English?
Naa bay maksulti ug in English diri.
Help!
Taba.
Look out!
Pagpantay.
Good morning.
Mayong buntag.
Good afternoon.
Mayong untu or mayong hapon.
Good evening.
Mayong gabi.
Good night.
Mayong gabi.
I don't understand.
Dili ko makasabot.
Where is the toilet?
Asa dapit ang kasilyas.
I'm lost.
Nawala ko.
Wow, with emotions.